In this video, we're going to see how to prompt the user to select and choose a file. So we're using here two main variables. The first one is my file as a workbook, and the second one is the path file as string. The idea is to say path file is equal to Application.GetOpenFilename, which is the main function we need here to select a file. And I'm just going to showcase here. Please select the file to use in the top of the window, as we're going to see just after. And finally, we just want to display the path of the selected file just to verify that it worked. So I'm just going to launch the macro, and as you can see, a window is going to open, and you can see here my text, please select the file to use. And here I'm just going to select this test file. I'm just going to click on open, and you can see the path of the selected file is, and then it states the path of my file. So here is really just to be able to interact with the user, and as you can see, there might be also potentially a lot of different ways to use this, either to select a file to after open it and play with it, or just to capture the path of it and use it in a different way. So the function here you need is Application.GetOpenFilename to be able to prompt your user.